Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the turn signal bulbs on this 2021 Durango. All right, let's start with the driver's side. Your bulb is right in there, and you need to get behind it, but all this stuff is in the way. So let's start by removing the top of this box. There's a couple of clips here you push back, okay? Then you have to loosen up this clamp, either with a flathead screwdriver or an 8mm. Move it out of the way. Remove the filter. Next, you want to separate this weather strip, and it's held down by a couple of clips. The way you do this is you pull it to one side like that and up, and then push it the other way. Same thing here. Pull it up, push it, and this one too. Pull it. Came off of this one too. So now you're able to remove this box. It's held on by 3 rubber grommets. Just pull up on it. There you go. Now this whole thing will come up like that. And now you're able to get to your bulbs. Okay, this is your bulb right here. You're gonna twist it kind of clockwise, and it comes right out. This is what it looks like. You're gonna just pull it, and that's it. Take your new bulb, just push it in place, and just put it right back. And then once it's like fully seated, you'll feel it. Just twist it clockwise to lock in place. Okay, put your box back in. These grommets are gonna go into these pins. 1, 2, 3. Okay, line up the pins and just push in. That's it. Install your filter. Okay. Now the box you're gonna put in the hose first, and then these tabs are gonna go into these slots here. And then once you close it, you're gonna clip it on with the clips, okay? Next, attach the weather strip. So it's the same way you took it off. You're gonna take the hole, put it on one side of the clip, pull it to the other side of the clip, and that's it. Okay, that side is done. Let's try the other side. Okay, this side is much easier. You're gonna reach in through here and get behind. Feel for the bulb, twist it kind of clockwise, pull it out. Here's your bulb. You're gonna pull out the bulb, push the other one back in, and then you're gonna reach in behind here again. And once you feel it seat into the hole, you're gonna twist it clockwise to lock in place, and you're done. All right, guys, I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.